Saudi Aramco, Safety Officer, Question and Answer. Aviation Safety Takeoff and Landing. Question 11. What should passengers do during takeoff and landing? A. Move around the cabin. B. Remain seated in an upright position. C. Stand in the aisle. D. Use electronic devices. Answer B. Remain seated in an upright position. Question 12. When can passengers unfasten their seat belts? A. As soon as the aircraft starts moving. B. Once the aircraft is airborne. C. Only when the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. D. During taxiing. Answer C. Only when the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Question 13. Who is responsible for the safety of the aircraft, passengers, and cargo? A. The cabin crew. B. The ramp dispatcher. C. The pilot in command, PIC. D. The passengers. Answer C. The pilot in command, PIC. Question 14. What should passengers avoid during takeoff and landing? A. Obstructing aisles, galleys, or lavatories. B. Speaking loudly. C. Using mobile phones. D. Eating and drinking. Answer A. Obstructing aisles, galleys, or lavatories. Question 15. What is the general rule for seatbelt use during the flight? A. Fasten only during turbulence. B. Fasten only during takeoff and landing. C. Fasten at all times while seated, or as directed. D. No need to fasten unless directed. Answer C. Fasten at all times while seated, or as directed. Question 16. Who has overall responsibility for the helicopter and its passengers? A. The co-pilot. B. The helideck landing officer, HLO. C. The captain in the left seat. D. The helicopter deck assistant, HDA. Answer C. The captain in the left seat. Question 17. What certificate must passengers carry when traveling over land? A. Saudi Aramco Aviation Safety Certificate. B. Helicopter Underwater Escape Training, HUET, Certificate. C. Saudi Aramco Helicopter Passenger Safety Certificate. D. General Aviation Safety Certificate. Answer C. Saudi Aramco Helicopter Passenger Safety Certificate. Question 18. When traveling offshore over water, what must passengers carry? A. Saudi Aramco Aviation Safety Certificate. B. General Safety Certificate. C. Helicopter Underwater Escape Training, HUET, Certificate. D. Emergency Survival Certificate. Answer C. Helicopter Underwater Escape Training, HUET, Certificate. Question 19. How should passengers approach and depart the helicopter? A. From any direction. B. From the front quadrant. C. From either side quadrant, avoiding the main and tail rotors. D. Directly from the rear. Answer C. From either side quadrant, avoiding the main and tail rotors. Question 20. What should passengers do with long objects when walking to and from the helicopter? A. Carry them vertically. B. Carry them horizontally and below the waist. C. Hold them above their heads. D. Place them in a bag. Answer B. Carry them horizontally and below the waist. Question 21. What is prohibited when traveling in a helicopter? A. Wearing loose clothing. B. Carrying small electronic devices. C. Wearing personal headphones. D. Bringing food items. Answer: A. Wearing loose clothing. 22. What should passengers wear during helicopter flights over water? A. Regular life jackets. B. Personal flotation devices, PFDs, approved by Saudi Aramco Aviation. C. Regular clothing. D. Inflatable vests. Answer: B. Personal flotation devices, PFDs, approved by Saudi Aramco Aviation. Question 23. What must passengers avoid doing with objects while on the helicopter? A. Placing them in the passenger cabin. B. Keeping them on their laps. C. Storing them in overhead compartments. D. Throwing them from the helicopter. Answer: D. Throwing them from the helicopter. Question 24. When is it necessary for passengers to wear approved hearing protection? A. Only during landing. B. Only during takeoff. C. On all helicopter flights. D. During turbulence. Answer: C. On all helicopter flights. Question 25. What should passengers do with their personal articles while approaching the helicopter? A. Leave them behind. B. Keep a firm grip on them. C. Place them in the helicopter cabin. D. Hand them to the HLO. Answer: B. Keep a firm grip on them.